characteristics of cloud architectures to try and deal with outages and disasters, etc. So wanted to share, first of all, what are we facing? Just establish kind of the context that we're in here. As you mentioned, outages happen, disasters happen. We have an infographic that we're going to be releasing in the coming weeks. We've done some research on the history of outages. There are lots of outages. They're not all restricted to the cloud, of course, but looking back at 2012, there were 7 major cloud outages across different vendors. And the interesting point there is, of course, they're not restricted to cloud computing architectures, either public or private. The average kind of minor data center outages per year. I think probably the difference is a major one would be the whole thing is down, a minor one might be some resources or there's a partial outage. And on average, that costs companies $5,000 per minute of downtime. These outages occur from a diversity of causes. The top 3 causes that we found were power loss and backup failure. Of course, if the back source doesn't fail, outage, but those 2 often cause we've seen a selection of those recently across the globe, but most recently Hurricane Sandy caused a bunch of outages in the northeast of the U.S. Another cause followed by things like software bugs and glitches, operator error. So there are a whole bunch of sources that can eventuate in an outage. And if we go to the next slide, just wanted to say a few words about